Hi guys, Vlad here. Today I have for you second phone from Money from Trash series, so let's watch it. So here I have iPhone 8. This is the one of the 13 phones I have that I bought from eBay as a parts are not working. The reason why I took this phone because I don't have the stock of the working 8 now. Yeah, we have a cracked glass here and scratched but not cracked original screen. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I want to fix this phone so I have a working 8 in stock for sale, just in case I need it. Yeah, last time we fixed 7, this time we're fixing 8. Yeah, plug it in and check what we're getting there. Nothing. Let's wait if we have any spikes. Yeah, we do. We do have a almost 500 milliamp spike. That means we have a short. So let's open and check. So I disassembled the phone. As you can see, we have a red sticker here, and the phone looks water damaged. Okay. We have few capacitors that are completely green, and few stickers there. Corrosion everywhere. Okay, let's check in the holder first, top side then back side. This area looks okay. This with the clean after ultrasonic should be fine. This area looks okay. Let's go back side. Little bit caged. These capacitors are gone completely. Yeah. A little bit here. So actually this area looks not too bad. We have a quite nice and clean motherboard here. So let's remove this. And this looks not too bad. So do we have actually problem only here? Only in the top layer on these capacitors. We will be lucky if it will be a quick fix. So I take soldering iron, a nice blob of solder. And just keep it there. Yeah, one is out. Small one as well. Big one. One more, and one more. That's it, all of them are out. Now let's thin the pads. Yeah, now looks good. Before we position them back, let's check if it's actually powers on. Check. And yes, it is. It is. Looks to be... No, looks to be not correct. It's supposed to have different consumption, I think. Let's see if we have the Apple logo. No, you see nothing. It's improved a bit, but still nothing. This means we have more problems. And it looks to be actually powering on. Okay, let's check. So again, power supply is turned on, and we try to power it on. It's supposed to be enough. And we have Apple logo. Unfortunately, screen is water damaged, so we cannot use this screen. That's a bummer. I will plug in the screen with the light sensor so we have better image. Okay, I see the charging battery charging logo. You probably can't see, but I do. Okay, let's wait till that charges and we'll check again. So the phone actually came on. Terrible water damage screen, very dim. but it's actually charging. 6% now is up. So I will try to restore the phone and see if the restore is successful. That means the data connection is fine, and I will just have to restore the capacitors, ultrasonic, and replace the screen and the back glass, and that's it. Okay, so we have the phone restored. I see the IMEI, I see the serial number. Home button clicks. Let's try to activate. Wi-Fi is present. Yeah, Touch ID works. So we are activated. Yeah, back camera works. Front camera works. We have audio. Let's see microphones. Hello, 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 hello.
Hello, 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 hello.
Microphone is okay, speaker is okay. Let's see battery. 91%. Very good. Very good. And this is 64 gig and no SIM restriction. So I restored capacitors. Now they are new there and not water damaged. So from there, phone is fine. Very good looking actually. I still will drop it in the ultrasonic before I assemble completely, but now all motherboard works are finished. So, laser just finished cutting. Not really cutting, just burning the color there under the glass. So that's how it looks. Now I will have to take out the glass piece by piece, clean the glue. I have already glass ready, new one, so a lot of manual labor. So I will show you the end process, how it looks like after I finish. So I finished the cleaning. The requirement for this job is basically the better you clean, the better it sits. Yeah, so when I'm doing that, I'm doing the border around under a microscope, so it's kind of a, so I don't really damage and I see better when I'm cleaning the glue. And one more important thing is you have to clean here as well, so it sits nicely and tight there. Yeah, I will show you now under a microscope how the borders look, so you get some kind of idea how does it look when it's cleaned properly. Yeah, so these borders are quite important, these ones, for the glass to sit properly. After I assemble and put the glue there with the glass, I will show how it sits when it's ready. So, it's been a week since I touched this phone last time. Yeah, this phone is fully fixed, and today I have a customer for it. So let me take you to the spreadsheet and I will show you how much I sold it for. Yeah, so this is iPhone 8, 64GB RAID unlocked, IMEI number ends with these digits. The problem was it was water damaged, it was short circuited. Front was like screen was broken and the back glass was broken. Everything else was fine. Even the battery is 91%, so I don't have to replace battery. Yeah, so I bought this phone same as the old bunch. It's €73.32. And yeah, so this is the parts that needed to be fixed. So water damage on the motherboard, back glass and the screen. Total cost is €20. So the back glass costs €5. It's no matter what phone it is. And no, I think 11 cost more, but anyway, 8 back glass costs €5. And the screen costs €15. It's not the cheapest replacement screen, but it's kind of a decent one, so it's €15. Yeah, I'm selling that as well to the local customer, and that's why there is no eBay and PayPal fees. I'm giving customer a €1.5 charger, like a cable with it, and the total repair sale is 250 euro. So profit on this deal is 155 euro 18 cents, and it is 211.65% on my money originally. Yeah, I spent about 2 hours there. So 2 hours mostly is for the actual job. Total turnaround time took about maybe 3 or 4 hours, but it's because I was waiting for the glue to settle, for the laser to cut in, for the flashing and things like that. Yeah, so actual working time about 2 hours, and that's most of it. It's just cleaning back from the glue. This batch currently going quite good because I can fix phones with very little money there, right, and can sell it locally here without any PayPal or eBay fees for a decent amount of money. We'll see how the rest of them will go, but currently it's going quite well. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.